Price of fuel.
Price of fuel, the roadside tax, how to do it, their insurance, they can pay like they're gonna have to do it.
A lot of things you can put out.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Female on female is even better. Some nice pictures.
Good.
That's good. We're going to tweet that picture tonight.
Can I ask you a question? Like, real, here, can I ask you a question? Because y'all don't like the
thing that I got, I can know that because of Obama, right now, you owe $50,000 to government.
I said, yeah. He went out and spent money that he wasn't supposed to, and now he's going to make You've grown all that pizza. This is the perfect speed now. We're slowing right down.
Yeah, you can actually see it.
Channel 8 gets here now, we'll be all set.
Who was that other guy who was just the tall guy who was here about an hour ago?
New Haven registered.
The police just want to know what we were doing?
Well, they knew what we were doing, but they had a complaint. Somebody complained that we were blocking traffic. Crossing the street.
Oh, this none of us are in the street.
I'm surprised with the New York horns going both ways. At times there is, but the spread between them is quite a bit. But, you know, they're focused where they're going.